In a land where the sun shone brightly and the skies were a canvas of endless blue, there lived a tiny swallow named Swift. Swift was not like the other swallows. While they chased after insects and played in the open skies, Swift preferred to sit on the branches of the old oak tree, observing the world below. One day, a great storm came, bringing with it torrents of rain and gusts of wind. The other swallows sought shelter, but Swift remained on his perch, watching the storm with a calm gaze. As the storm subsided, he spread his wings and flew down to the ground. Confused and concerned, the other swallows asked Swift why he didn't seek shelter during the storm. Swift replied, "I have learned that the storm is not something to fear, but to learn from. In the storm, I found the wisdom of patience and the strength to face adversity." The other swallows were puzzled. They couldn't understand how staying still during a storm could be beneficial. Swift saw their confusion and decided to show them. He flew them to the river, where they witnessed a fish struggling to swim upstream. "This fish," said Swift, "is like us. In life, we often find ourselves swimming against the current, battling against the wind. But look, if the fish stops fighting and rests, it can regain its strength and continue its journey." The swallows understood the wisdom in Swift's words. They realized that sometimes, the best way to overcome adversity is to find moments of stillness and reflection. From that day on, they no longer feared the storm but embraced it as a chance to grow. In the end, it was Swift, the small swallow who preferred solitude, who taught them the greatest lesson of all, that wisdom comes from observing, learning, and adapting to life's challenges. The swallows lived their lives with newfound wisdom, knowing that each storm was an opportunity to learn and grow.